Let us once again recap our knowledge on physical standby. Physical standby is nothing but it is block-to-block copy of your primary database. The best part about physical standby is you can offload your database backups from production, because we know that we can take RMAN backups when your database is in mount stage, and our physical standby always resides in mount stage, and that's why we can also take the RMAN backups from our physical standby location also. This again relieves your production server in terms of CPU utilization, because when we run an RMAN backup on production, it costs CPU to the server. The same costing can be offloaded onto your standby side, because we know physical standby does nothing. It's only a standby server until you activate it. You can also perform role transitions for maintenance. For example, there is some maintenance activity that is going on your production server. Let's take there is some hardware upgrade. You can perform a switchover or change the role from physical standby to primary, and your clients will connect directly to your new primary, and that's how you can perform or change the role of the databases for some time when your production is down. Okay, next is minimal downtime for upgrades on production. Whenever you're upgrading your production database, of course, when you upgrade, it involves downtime. What you can do is you can allow clients to connect to your physical standby, and meanwhile you upgrade your production database. Once your production database is upgraded, you switch back all the clients to your original production server, and then you can upgrade your standby database. This way you balance the downtime when it comes to upgrades. And remember, physical standby will always be in mount state, which means whenever your standby role is physical standby, it will be in mount state only. Also, all physical changes in prod must be manually performed on physical standby database. When we say physical changes, if there is a hardware upgrade, if there is an OS level upgrade, if there are any file system changes, all of them must be manually performed by the respective teams onto the standby site. If they do not perform, definitely you will see some or the other issue in database run.